Hello friends, welcome to Stable Automation. Before we start this video, please subscribe to our channel and get ready-made codes, backups and script. This will definitely help you to reduce your engineering time. In this video, we are going to just demonstrate how to insert data from Cytek SCADA to Excel file, and then we will clear the records and again insert new data into same Excel file. The codes detailed backup will be available in the next video, and it is available only from subscriber user. So please subscribe and get the codes in the next video. Now I'm changing the values. So data again inserted into new row. Now we will clear the record. Now the script in the backend has cleared the Excel file. Now we'll change the values and we will again insert. So all the records are cleared and we have inserted the new values here. So if you're interested to get this code and this backup, please subscribe to our channel. The video will be available for subscribers, users only. Thank you.